Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord N30, and today I would like to show you how you can change screen refresh rate. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Display and Brightness. Then scroll all the way down, tap on Screen Refresh Rate, and apply the best option for you by tapping on it. Auto-select High or Standard. I will go with High, so when I click and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!